then you inform me. Okay.
Don't sleep, bro. This is important class, bro.
Hey, good. I
Don't sleep.
From Monday onwards, your clinical coaching is going to start. So please prepare for that. And take care of your idols, well-groomed, and maintain discipline in the hospitals. And complete your requirements on time. Don't miss the dates and all.
Start.
Teacher, Police,
Present, ma'am.
Mono, Meera,
Present, ma'am.
Vitali, Ragul Kumar, Rahul Jaini.
Absent, ma'am.
Thanks for absence.
I forget. I forget, ma'am.
I forgot, ma'am.
Tomorrow all should have taken the compulsory or articles and medical.
Okay, ma'am.
Go to your ward, I will come around for an 8:30.
Okay.
Siri. आँख चेक करो उसका, आँख चेक करो. ठीक है. बोलो मुंह खोलने के लिए. मुंह खोलने के लिए. हाथ हाथ लगाओ. हाथ उसका दिखाओ. उसका हाथ चेक करो. बोलो रेंज ऑफ मोशन करने. ठीक है एनफ है. नेक्स्ट.
Okay, go and set the brain, the injection and injection for the between of the 40. Okay, you want to give injection calcium for another injection. You can go now. Yesterday exam, have you shown your answer to anyone? Don't tell lies.
कॉल. Are you call? Yesterday I gave injection. It's injuring my face.
Hey, that you say to ma'am or not?
Don't say to me.
Hey, we have to say to ma'am.
No, don't say. Not a big problem.
No, it is a big problem. We have to say to ma'am.
Where you got the injury? Show me. It's very serious. Stop.
Did you inform to stop?
No, ma'am.
No.
Why?
Why you didn't inform?
Did you wash your hands?
Did you wash your hands?
Okay, come, let's meet.
Okay, come let's meet.
அப்படி போங்க வெளியே போங்க.
Excuse me. Ma'am, yesterday student calling sick in the time. What we can do that can you see her? What did you do after that? No need to worry. Wash your hands properly. Then I have prepared some injection and some medication. Take it regularly and nothing to worry.
Hello, ये ना भगवान कब ने तुमने फोन निकलते कब ने?
3, 2, 1, start. Okay. Finger
3 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க.